Dear students, today we shall take second part of the lesson, the sound of music. So next paragraph number 3rd. Open your book on page number 22. As a 5-year-old Bismillah Khan played gilli danda near a pond in ancient state of Dumrao in Bihar. As a 5-year-old Bismillah Khan. In those days, the age of Bismillah Khan was only 5 years and he played gulli danda near a pond in ancient state of Dumrao in Bihar. In Bihar, there was one of the state means kingdom. In Dumrao, there was a kingdom, and in that kingdom, he used to play gilli danda near one of the pond. So where did he play gilli danda? Near a pond in Dumrao state in Bihar. He would regularly go to nearby Bihari Ji temple to sing the Bhojpuri Chaita. Regularly he went to nearby Bihari Ji temple. There was one of the temple and name of that temple was Bihari Ji temple, and he usually regularly visited there to sing what? Bhojpuri Chaita. Chaita is a song that is sung in the month of Chait. So he visited there to that temple to sing Chaita, at the end of which he would earn a big laddu weighing 1.25 kg. When his singing was finished, at the end which he would earn a big laddu, and he got one of the big laddu, and the weight of that laddu was 1.25 kg. 1 kg and 250 gram was the weight of that laddu he got at the end of the recital. And that was the prize, a prize given by the local Maharaja. Local Maharaja gave one of the prize, and that prize was the laddu of 1.25 kg. So what was the prize given to him? He got a prize that was a laddu, heavy, big laddu of 1.25 kg. This happened 80 years ago, and this event happened how many years ago? Yes, 80 years before. And the little boy has travelled far to earn the highest civilian award in India, the Bharat Ratna. And the little boy, that small boy of 5 years, the little boy had travelled far to earn the highest civilian award in India. Now, when he is grown up, he covered long distance, and he got Bharat Ratna. So, which award did he get? He received the highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. Now, see the next paragraph. Born on 21st March 1916, Bismillah belongs to a well-known family of musicians from Bihar. So he was born on March 21st. In which year? In 1916. Bismillah belongs to a well-known family of musicians from Bihar, and he hailed from one of the family of musicians. In that family there were musicians, and he hailed from that family. His grandfather Rasul Bakhsh Khan was the Sahnai Nawaz of Bhojpur King's court. Name of his father was Rasul Bakhsh Khan. His grandfather, name of his grandfather was Rasul Bakhsh Khan, was the Sahnai Nawaz of Bhojpur King court, and he was the player of Sahnai. Where? In the court of Bhojpur King. In the court of Bhojpur King, you know Bhojpur, nowadays Ara district is known Bhojpur. In those days it was Bhojpur. So in that court, his grandfather used to play Sahnai. His father Paigambar Bakhsh and other paternal ancestors were also great Sahnai players. Not only his grandfather, his father, whose name was Paigambar Bakhsh, he was also one of the Sahnai player and other paternal ancestors, not only his father and grandfather and other paternal ancestors. Paternal means related to father, ancestors means forefathers, forefathers and others, those who were from that generation were also great Shehnai players. They were all great Shehnai players. Who were great Shehnai players? His grandfather, his father and other members of the family in earlier time, they were all Shehnai players. Now see paragraph number 5. The young boy took to music early in life. He started playing music when he was young, at the age of 3, when his age was only 3 years, because all the members, his father, grandfather and other elders used to play Shehnai, so he also started playing Shehnai at the age of 3 years, when his mother took him to his maternal uncle's house in Banaras. He was brought to his maternal uncle's house. With whom? With his mother. He reached to his maternal uncle's house with his mother, and his maternal uncle lived in Banaras. Nowadays it is called Varanasi. Bismillah was fascinated watching his uncles practice the Shehnai, and he was attracted. Who was attracted? Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan was fascinated. Fascinated means attracted. Towards what? Towards the practice of Shehnai. And who did practice Shehnai? His maternal uncles practice Shehnai. So practice is verb and practice noun. Soon Bismillah started accompanying his uncle. Soon means short time. Bismillah started accompanying his uncle. So Bismillah also started giving company to his uncles in playing Shehnai at the age of 3. Ali Baksh to the Vishnu temples of Banaras, where Baksh was employed to play the Shehnai. Ali Baksh to the Vishnu temples of Banaras. Ali Baksh used to play Shehnai where? At the Vishnu temple that was located in Varanasi, where Baksh was employed to play the Shehnai. Ali Baksh got a job to play Shehnai in that Vishnu temple. Ali Baksh would play the Shehnai and Bismillah would sit captivated for hours on end. When Ali Baksh played Shehnai at Vishnu temple in Varanasi, Bismillah Khan was also attracted and he sat with him. Captivated means attracted. For hours on end. For many hours he used to sit with whom? With his uncle Ali Baksh. Slowly he started getting lessons in playing the instrument and would sit practicing throughout the day. Slowly he started getting lessons. In this way, with the passing of time, he started learning lessons of Shehnai in playing the instrument. Which instrument? Shehnai. And would sit practicing throughout the day. And he sat there to practice whole of the day. For years to come, the temple of Balaji and Mangala Maiya and the banks of the Ganga became the young apprentice's favorite haunts where he could practice in solitude. For years to come to the temple of Balaji and Mangala Maiya. For many years he visited 2 temples. What were the temples? Name of one temple was Balaji and name of another temple was Mangala Maiya. He visited to these 2 temples, and the banks of Ganga became the young apprentice's favorite haunt, and he used to sit at the side of the river Ganga. Became the young apprentice's favorite haunts. Who is the young apprentice? Young apprentice means who learns the trade. Apprentice means who learns the trade, and here the young apprentice was Bismillah Khan. So his favorite haunts, haunts means place. His favorite place was what? Where he would practice in solitude, side of Ganga. His favorite place of practicing Sahnai was the side of Ganga, where he sat in solitude, in loneliness. Solitude means loneliness. The flowing waters of the Ganga inspired him to improvise and invent ragas. Flowing waters of the Ganga. When he saw the flowing water of Ganga, he was inspired and he invented new ragas. Improvise means invent and to play. So he invented and played ragas that were earlier considered to be beyond the range of the Sahnai. He invented and practiced, played those ragas that were, it was considered that they were out of the range of Sahnai, and he played those ragas also that were considered that they were out of the range of Sahnai. I think these paragraphs are clear to you. We shall read other paragraphs in next video. Thank you.